Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is sweet dalia. This recipe can be made as a kheer with or without milk, or if you make it slightly thicker in consistency, this can also be eaten as a halwa. Dalia or cracked wheat is an excellent source of dietary fiber and healthy carbohydrates, and this recipe is a very healthy, mildly sweet and easy to make sweet dish often prepared during the winter months, especially during the festival season of Sankrant or Lodi. So let us get started. First, the ingredients. Cracked wheat or dalia 1 cup, jaggery or gur 1 cup or 1 1/4 of a cup for a sweeter taste. Clarified butter or ghee 1/4 of a cup, cloves 4 to 5, cardamom powder half a teaspoon, nutmeg powder half a teaspoon, fresh grated coconut 2 tablespoons which is optional to use, and some peeled and sliced almonds for garnishing. Heat the clarified butter in a pot and add the cloves. Turn them around just a little and then add the cracked wheat or the dalia. And now we are going to nicely roast this dalia in ghee till it becomes slightly darker in color. After roasting it nicely for about 5 to 7 minutes, now we are going to add water. Add 2 cups of water. Just turn it around a little and then turn off the gas. And now we are going to keep this pot inside a pressure cooker and pressure cook this for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, reduce the gas to low and continue to cook for 5 more minutes before turning off the gas. Remove the cooked dalia from the pressure cooker once the pressure is released and keep it aside for some time. Now transfer all the jaggery to a pan and add 3/4 cup of water to it. Turn on the gas and keep stirring it till the jaggery completely dissolves. When all the jaggery has melted, add the grated coconut, add the nutmeg powder, also cardamom powder. Now add the cooked dalia. And all this time the gas has been on low flame and we are going to continue to cook it in the same way by covering it, turning it around in between a couple of times and cooking it for about 5 to 10 minutes till a desired consistency is achieved. Always remember that once it cools, it is going to get thicker than what it is now. After cooking like this for about 10 minutes on a low flame, this has become thicker than before but is still of a flowing consistency. So I am going to turn off the gas. Now either you can serve it right away or serve it later. But if you want to serve it later, it might have thickened up even more. So that time you can add some more water or milk, get the desired consistency depending on whether you want to serve it as a halwa or as a kheer. Heat it up nicely and then serve. Remember to garnish with few almonds and our delicious sweet dalia is now ready. So do try making this wonderful recipe at home. Remember to post any questions or comments, and also please like and subscribe Uma's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.